For those asking about practical applications for joining yarn, here's a perfect example. So I'm working on this last minute top and it's 2 granny squares. I'm using this yarn right here and I went through 1 skein. I thought I'd be able to make it with 1. Unfortunately, I'm at the very end. So now we need to join this yarn. So what I want you to think about is what's going to make the most sense for this colorway and this project. In particular, we could do a magic knot for sure. A magic knot is going to leave a little knot here, and since this is going to be a clothing item, that knot might show in the front of the yarn and it may be uncomfortable against your skin. So magic knot, probably not going to happen. There's a few other knotted joins that we could do. However, this is probably a perfect opportunity to do that Russian join that I've showed you a couple of times. In this case, the colorway doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what yarn it starts and ends with because it's going to weave in and it's changing colors anyway. So that's one reason why. Number 2 is we don't want to have a knot against our skin. So that's the second reason why. So we're going to do a Russian join with this skein and this skein, and then we'll be able to continue the row right here. And if you haven't seen my video on how to do the Russian join, I'll actually link that in the comments. All right, and here's where the color change is right here. Yes, it's a little bit thicker, but you have no knot against your skin and you can see it actually lays pretty clean.